What up with it? Tap back in. Out here on this big block Chevy for the C10. Did a little hydraulic roller cam upgrade on this Mark IV big block. And I am in here currently setting up the endplay, or just got done setting up the endplay. I don't know how many people out here watching me actually put their hands on it, but we building our boat around here, John. Around here, man, we don't do no crate motors. So let me get y'all spun around. If any of y'all was wondering how you set it up on one of these old school blocks, I got you. Hold on. So I pulled the cast iron, I believe is what that original timing set was on here. I don't remember why I changed it out, but I went on ahead and upgraded to the SA gear setup, and it's got a bearing on the back side of this that goes up against the block or whatever, keeps the timing gear from rubbing up against the block. So I upgraded to this, and then you gotta use this button right here on the roller cams on these older engines or whatever, because they don't have the retainer plate back there to actually hold the camshaft in place. So if you don't put the button in there, the cam will move forward and backwards or whatever, and it'll change your timing or whatever on it. So one thing with using these cam buttons, you see the grind mark that I got on this one, you have to set the endplay on it. I don't quite remember what the spec is on it. I have to go back and look it up, but I try and normally set mine around 6. This one I got it set around about 8 or 9. So the way that you set it up is you get everything mocked up on it, you get the timing cover on it, and then you get your dial indicator in place. Where I got this one at coming through the back side of it, it's actually making contact with the timing gear. You try and get it as perpendicular as you can get it or whatever, and then you move the cam forward and backwards, prying on the lobe without scratching it, and you check to see what your end play is. Another way of doing it is if you haven't put that plug in the back of the motor where the cam is at, you can check it back there. It's a little bit easier to get to it back there, but I had already put the plug in this engine. Let's see if you can see it. I'll try and put it back there for you. So that plug right there, if you got that one that you ain't put it in there yet, and I guess if you ain't got the flex plate in the way, you can check it back there a whole lot easier or whatever. But like I said, I already had mine in place, and I wasn't going through all that work of taking it back out. I just got my dial indicator set up in there like so, and I moved it back and forth with the timing cover on there. At first I didn't have no end play, and you definitely can't set it up like that with a bearing involved in there, because you'll smoke that thing, and next thing you know you got metal all through the motor and you start back at square one. So I got this one set around about 8 or 9. I'm gonna go ahead and seal everything up, torque these bolts down, fold the locking plates over, and get the top dead center and the green the cam set up. So I just wanted to tap in with my people real quick, man, let y'all know I was in the lab trying to get this C10 on the slab. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, man. Over and out. Peace.